number this time around. Vinay Rajani of HDFC Securities is now joining in for a quick technical check on the market. Vinay, quiet so far. What is the trade that you're recommending?
Yeah, good morning and thanks for having me on the show. So yes, market is trying to sustain at lower level and sustain at higher levels. And the day before yesterday's recovery was quite significant. Monday's low was around 25,473. That has become a strong support now. And it seems that market is into consolidation phase while some sectors are really outperforming, like metals have been performing well. So after precious metal, we can see industrial metals and base metals have started performing well. So sector specific, there is bullishness. Some PSU banks are really doing good. So that is going good. Now oil related stocks are doing good. So stock specific, sector specific, we are bullish on the market. On the upside, we see a strong resistance around 25,900, which happens to be the 50 days EMA for the Nifty. So we can say that we are in the consolidation between 25,500 to 25,900. So that's where we have to play, and sector specific we have to take bullish bet. So these are the support and resistance. Once we take out the 50 days EMA, then there is a good chance of bullish momentum getting back into the Nifty. But till then, we can say that it is into overall consolidation.
Okay. In terms of specific trades, Vinay, what would you recommend?
Yeah, so as I said, the metal sector has been performing very well. Our previous recommendation was into Hindustan Copper, and that played out very well. And now we feel that the steel stocks can participate from here, because we see some long-term chart breakout coming in the HRC, Chinese HRC, as well as the iron ore charts in the commodity markets. And that is ultimately positive sign for the steel stocks also. And we can see that strength building in the steel stocks from here. So Tata Steel is one of the stocks which we like for the short term. Around 185 one can go long. I would suggest a stop loss at 181. On the upside, immediate target should be 192. The second stock I would pick from the oil space related to crude. See, Chennai Petro is looking strong on the chart. So MRPL and Chennai Petro both have been moving up. So Oil India was my recommendation, but that has already moved up. So better to look at the stocks which are beneficiaries of this particular theme. So Chennai Petro in the cash segment looks good, around 840 odd levels. One can go long. 820 should be the stop loss. On the upside, I'm expecting a target of 870.
Thank you, Vinay, for joining in. Get into a break. On the other side.